Hi guys. Well, in the last video, there was some concern comments that the last video are useless. Well, I always listen to my viewers. That's why I improve in this video. This video, I would not disappoint to my viewers because it is the most important thing that you will learn in making 2D game. I'm going to teach you how to do animation in Unity, Hokage style. We will not waste time here. Now let's go.
Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
Well, first of all, before we go into Unity, we must first save sound effect because we need it for our animation. If you don't, and make sure those sound effects are royalty free because if you don't, you will end up like this in your house. So yeah. So we need to check first our sound effect if it is secure. We need to double check. Okay, there it is. We got two sound effect. Now we need to do in our pictures. We need to do it in multiple. I set it to 128 pixel unit. Then we have to do it point of filter. Then go to sprite editor and click apply. Okay. Okay, we have now the coin. Then click the split and slice it and apply it. That's easy, right? Now your picture is now divided. Whoa, that was fast. So drag one, and as you can see, it is really tiny. We need really tiny. We need to make it bigger. In order to get it bigger, we need to go to the scale at transform. Go to the scale and click any kind of number that you can see in your coin. I need first to resize the coin. What is the ideal size? Okay, maybe a little bigger because we're not making a game, we're just making an animation, because that is what is all the videos about. So yeah, so I'm just gonna fast forward this in order because I'm just getting a size for our animation. After that, okay, once you get that, go to the animation. If you don't have animation, go to the windows and go to the animation, and you can see there animator. Say create, click the create. Sorry. Then save an animation file. Go to the asset. Then make a folder of animation. So in order you will not what you call libog. So get there, then save your animation. Any name that is any name would fit. And you got it. You have your first animation file. Congratulations. Then click all the coins that we made and drag it like that. Now it's easy, right? Okay, we need to make it slowest. Okay, I think this is the fitting for our animation. This is how a game should look like. Now this is an animation, but we don't have a sounds yet. Then after that, you have to make it codes. I already have made one. See, I already have made codes. Oh wait, we need to add codes in our coin. Go to the script. Okay, create a new script. Then voila, you get a code. But unfortunately, the code file is placed at the asset. We don't want that. So in order to go that, we go to the code folder. In order not to confuse Then after that, open this. I'm just going to delete that. Okay, now after that you need to open the code file, because we need to code actually. By coding, we need to go to the subline text because it's the way I like it. Actually, go to subline text and click it. It's free. I will get the link file in the description below. Oh, okay, now we have it. Now as you can see, just copy it. Just copy my code. Just copy my code. This is how the viewers actually. You just need to copy the code. No need to listen to me, right? Okay, we need to have void because we need for our events. Then audio source that play. Say just copy everything and save it. Actually, that's it. Okay, we need to add an event listener actually in our animation by doing that. By doing that, click that, and why there's no animation, why there's no public void. Okay, I'm gonna skip this at the moment. Okay, we see the problem. Actually, our audio source is placed at the start. We need to place it outside the start, and I think this should work. Okay, voila! Yay! Let's celebrate actually. So after that, go back to your event, and okay, now we have a public void. Now it should work perfectly actually. And okay, now we have our sound effects ready, and we need just to edit again our audio source, and then this should appear an audio source. Yes, that's how you do it. That's how master code Hokage style. And the heck. Okay, I just forgot the code. We need to put the sound effect on the properties of our coin, and we need to edit no loops. Play on awake, no. Then place the hierarchy and place the coin at the file of the audio source, that coin codes, and voila, you got it. Now this should be work. Yeah, that's I'm really embarrassed right now with my sound effect. Okay, we need to store it if it is really working. Whoa. We need to change our sound effect actually. That kind of sucks. Okay, we changed the sound effect, and this is how it works actually. If you change the sound effect. Ooh, what is that? Yeah. We need to find it. We need to go in faster. We need to go in fastest. Okay, we need to adjust our slow and fast animation. And this is right. Okay. And that's how you do our animation in Unity, Hokage style. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you like the video. So yeah, I hope you understand the video, and I hope you find entertaining on the video. And yeah, that's it, guys. And comment below on what should I do next, or what is my flaws, or what is feedbacks. Just comment, guys. You are free to comment. You are free whatever you want to comment, guys. So see you in the next video.